How do we put these terms of trade in place? What do we have to do with our customers?
So one of the things that's really important with your terms of trade is to be able to ensure firstly that they are written correctly and that they follow key pieces of legislation. And that has to be done right, or it can throw your entire case out if it ever went to court. But the way that you engage your terms of trade with your clients is a number of different ways. Ultimately, signature on paper, whether it's signed through a credit application form or a client information form that relates back to your terms of trade, that's the ultimate form of engagement in your terms of trade. What we do also build into really good terms of trade is something called an acceptance clause, which enables you to say to people, by going ahead and using your services, they're taken to have read and they're bound by the terms of trade. A key point with terms of trade is to ensure that you are disclosing your terms of trade. And the disclosure of your terms of trade comes before you start doing any work with your clients. So there are some businesses who may, for example, attach terms of trade to an invoice, which they're sending to customers after the job's been done. However, in order for the terms of trade to be valid, they need to be disclosed up front before you do the job. So
it's not just about having them, it's also how you use them